Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for Time Trial Tuesday. This week we'll be playing WRC and going to Rally Estonia. The stage we'll be doing is the Crest stage, which is about 80% medium gravel and about 20% dirt, give or take in both those, but it's mainly a gravel stage. The class we're going to be using for this is the N4R4 class, and the vehicle will be the MaCrae R4, which was developed by the legendary rally racer Colin McRae. It should be a lot of fun. This rally car was made with affordability and safety in mind. That obviously doesn't mean much in this, as we're not actually driving it in real life, but it should be a lot of fun. I like the other N4R4 class cars like the Evo 10 and the STI, so this should be a lot of fun, I'm thinking. So without further ado, let's jump into it.
Crest, 110, 6 right, brake, and 4 left, around Bales. Slight right, 50, slowing, crest, 120, turn, square right, around Bale, 170.
Holy cow, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that as much as I did driving. That was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. That car just goes so fast down all those roads, and it has really good handling too. I was expecting it to be really good because looking at the leaderboards for the N4R4 class, it's basically all posted. MaCrae R4 is up there for the top section of the leaderboard for the most part. So I was expecting it to be super fast, and it definitely didn't disappoint. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. I did have a couple mistakes, which to me it was sometimes when you're using the Logitech shifter trying to go into 6th or another gear, you'll accidentally bump the edge of the other gate for it. So I was shifting into 6th and I bumped the 4th gate, and it registered going into 4th, but I was actually in the 6th gate, which that happens. I did that on 2 straights, and yeah, I just had to correct the shift, but that probably cost me a couple tenths on both those straights there, just because slowing down and not gaining extra speed there. But other than that, I felt like I had a really good rally, and it felt really fun. I really enjoyed it. Like always, if there is a game, car, or track, or even famous rally time, or just in general race time that you want us to, or lap that you want me to try and beat, please leave it down in the comment section down below, and I hope to see you again next week for another Time Trial Tuesday.